Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Pinnacle in Montego Bay. Now Jamaica has a lot of mega developments, but none is more important to Jamaica than this one. This is the tallest building you're going to find in Jamaica and the English speaking Caribbean. This is the tallest building in Jamaica. It is 28 floors and it's still under construction as you can see. It has reached 28 floors. They recently had a topping off ceremony when the structure reached 28 floors. So the tallest building in Jamaica used to be the Pegasus Hotel, built in the 1970s at 17 floors. Then for about 30 years, not even 30, 50 years, no building was built in Jamaica taller than 17 floors. Then last year, or sometime between 2024 and 2025, the Rogers was built at 20 floors. It's actually still under construction. It was built in New Kingston, the capital, Kingston. And it has reached 20 floors. It reached 20 floors, as we said, sometime in either 2024 or 25. And that building remained the tallest building in Jamaica until the Pinnacle took the title in the last quarter of 2025. So this is it, and look at the view. And what is spectacular about this development? It's 4 towers they're going to build. This is Tower 1, the Swallowfield. They are building 3 more towers. Actually, if you look, when we pan to the left, you will see, okay, right beside that building is the parking garage for Tower 1. And then where you see that crane, that's where they've started construction at Tower 2. It's going to be 4 towers at 28 floors. And the location is ideal. That's the Montego Bay Marine Reserve. Very beautiful piece of land or area. So they found the ideal location to build these towers. Now, this is a luxury development. A 1-bedroom starts at around 600,000 US. So you can imagine what a penthouse goes for, well over $1 million US. And guys, they are selling. This tower that we're looking at, the last official release, which was sometime in 2025, said 65% of the units were sold. That structure to the bottom right of the screen is a commercial complex, basically a mall. And this development is going to have 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, from 1 bedroom all the way up to penthouses. Alright guys, just giving you a quick update on this development. Let us know what you think, and of course we will give you regular updates on this development until they have finished all 4 towers. Alright guys, oh, and since we're talking about the tallest building in Jamaica, this will not be the tallest building in Jamaica for much longer. The Moon Palace, also in Montego Bay, is going to be 34 floors. That one is out by Lilliput. 34 floors. So we'll keep you guys updated on that one. They had a groundbreaking, but they haven't officially started construction yet. The structure hasn't started to go up yet. But we'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, have a good day.